Hi everyone, today's headlines. JCPI holds peaceful protest rally on RIIN in Nagaland, submits representation to CM. Rio calls on Union Education Minister, discuss on setting up IISER in Nagaland. Angry at parents, son tries to burn down the house at Noklek. At 3036, Mumbai records highly daily cases, Pune sees uptick on over 5,000 infection. All-party assembly delegation led by CM meet NSCN-IM leaders. World Happiness Report 2021. India ranks 139 out of 149. News in details. JCPI holds peaceful protest rally on RIIN in Nagaland, submits representation to CM. The Joint Committee on Prevention of Illegal Immigrants held a peaceful protest rally at DC Court Junction, Dimapur yesterday, demanding the implementation of the Register of Indigenous Inhabitants of Nagaland in the state of Nagaland within the stipulated time. A representation to the Chief Minister of Nagaland was also submitted through the ADC, Dimapur. During the rally, JCPI convener Athovi Su stated that the movement is not against any government, saying that Nagaland cannot be a state of lawlessness. He said they are demanding for the implementation of the rights and privileges and not to deprive the rights of the individual. Rio calls on Union Education Minister, discuss on setting up IISER in Nagaland. The Chief Minister of Nagaland, Nefirio, called on Union Minister for Education, Government of India Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank at New Delhi yesterday. Informing about this through a tweet, Chief Minister Nefirio said, "We had a fruitful discussion regarding setting up of Indian Institute of Science Education and Research and implementation of National Education Policy 2020 in Nagaland. Grateful to him for his support and valuable inputs," tweets CM Rio. Angry at parents, son tries to burn down the house at Noklek. Tonaknew police under Noklek district arrested one person who broke upon a house and destroyed the property due to personal issues on Thursday, an update from Noklek police said. According to sources, a 22-year-old son quarreled with his parents for personal reasons and started breaking all the utensils and wall of the house, after which he also tried to burn down the house, but fortunately no one was injured. At 3062, Mumbai records highest daily cases, Pune sees uptick of over 5,000 infection. With 3062 new coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours, Mumbai on Friday reported the highest single-day spike since the pandemic began, while Pune saw an uptick of over 5,000 infection. The new case pushed Mumbai COVID tally to 3,55,897 as per the latest bulletin by the State Health Department. The death toll has mounted to 11,565 after 10 more people succumbed to the viral disease. On the other hand, Pune reported as many as 5,065 new COVID-19 cases, taking the total number of infected patients in the city to 4,58,597. A total of 2,211 people have recovered and 24 others died in the last 24 hours. All-party assembly delegation led by CM meet NSCN-IM leaders. A day after meeting Union Home Minister Amit Shah, the all-party assembly delegation led by Chief Minister Nefirio, NLA Speaker Sharingain and Leader of Opposition TR Zilliang met NSCN-IM General Secretary Muiva and other leaders in New Delhi on Friday. When contacted, Zilliang informed that the delegation met both Shah and Muiva in the light of the Assembly resolution on February 18 to pursue early solution to Naga political issue. World Happiness Report 2021. India ranks 139 out of 149. India has been ranked 139 out of 149 countries in the list of UN World Happiness Report 2021 released on Friday, which is topped by Finland. The World Happiness Report 2021 issued by the UN Sustainable Development Solution Network focuses on the effect of COVID-19 and how people all over the world have fared. It ranks the world 149 countries on how happy their citizens perceive themselves to be. Our aim was two-folded. First, to focus on the effect of COVID-19 on the structure and quality of people's life, and second, to describe and evaluate how governments all over the world have dealt with the pandemic. In particularly, we try to explain why some countries have done so much better than others, it said in a statement. That's all for now. To get us latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.